What is going on, Ape Nation? I know some of you have been having a hard time with the price action that we've been seeing lately, but I want to tell you guys that it's gonna be okay. I'm also here to tell you that I appreciate every last one of you that's been hodling shares just like I am. I also want to applaud anyone that purchased more during this dip. As always, we're not going to waste time with an introduction, but I do want to ask you guys to please go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm gets this information out to as many apes as possible. Also, if this is your first time here, or if you have not yet subscribed, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but I want to ask you to please go ahead and join our growing ape family. We are Ape Nation. Together we are strong, and together we do the right thing by hodling for one another. So without any further ado, let's get into the topic. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this entire Adam Aron thing, the tweet that he put out regarding the 25 million shares. I want to talk about what it means, or at least I want to talk about what it means to me. Now, if you guys remember, I was the bonehead that a couple of weeks ago put out a video talking about the vote on the 29th, except I had the months mixed up. And some of you that called me out in the comments, yeah, I realized it after I did it, but here's why I did it. Now, I'm sure a lot of you experienced this whole thing. Do let me know in the comments below if you experienced the same thing, but it seems like I was getting 3 to 4 freaking phone calls per day, messages from a third-party company that AMC hired to convince me to vote, or at least to encourage me to vote. Now, I've never experienced this with any other vote. I want to know, did you guys get the same phone calls? And I'm sure you did, but it was kind of creepy. That's kind of what put it into my head that, wait, the shareholder vote is coming up very soon. And for whatever reason, I got my months mixed up because I figured, well, hell, if they're already bugging the crap out of me like this now, it must be coming up in a few days. So that kind of threw me off. I do apologize for that. I apologize for that video. But the message in the video was very clear, and I still stand by that message, even though it's irrelevant now because Adam Aron no longer is asking for the 25 million shares. But my point, and the whole reason that I brought up the harassment by this third-party company, is because of this, okay? Now, and this is the reason I bring this up, because on Reddit and on some other message boards, even on Twitter, I see that people are basically kissing Adam Aron's ass as if he was a god. Now, I've got nothing against Adam Aron. He's just doing his job. He's trying to save the company. But, guys, trust no one. You are an ape. Only trust the freaking apes, okay? They call him a silverback and all this other crap. He's just a man that's trying to save his company, okay? We're here for the short squeeze. We are here to make money. Do not get that confused. So don't get it twisted. Now, the reason, and this is all speculation on my part, but the reason that we were being harassed, or at least I was, so heavily about voting early is so that maybe the company, AMC and Adam Aron, would know what the outcome was long before the actual 29th of July. That way he could come out and make himself look like a hero by saying, hey, I'm done asking you for money. We're not going to ask for any more money until 2022 because I listen to you guys and I care about what you're saying. I see you. I hear you. I value you. But the funny thing is, you know, he did exactly that. That's exactly what the hell he's doing. And there's 2 tweets out here doing just that, proving that to us. So you decide what the hell it means to you. Let me know in the comments below if you feel the same way that I do, or maybe I'm an idiot for seeing seeing things this way. Let me know, because I'm curious to see what you guys think. And very quickly, let me read these tweets just in case anybody's like driving or something and can't watch the video and just listening. But the first one says, it's no secret I think shareholders should authorize 25 million more AMC shares, but what you think is important to us, many yes, many no. AMC does not want to proceed with such a split. So we're canceling the July vote. No more shares and no more such requests in 2021. This is one of 2. But before I even move on to the second tweet, let me tell you what I initially saw when I got the notification on my phone. It looked like AMC was going to be, or it looked like he was tweeting about a stock split, or at least that was my impression, because I only got to see part of the tweet, and I just literally saw the word split, and I'm like, what the hell? So I opened it up, read it, but what he's actually talking about is he doesn't want to split the freaking people that are saying yes and the people that are saying no. There's a great divide there, and he wants us to be united, or at least that's what he claims. But I'm not so sure about that. I mean, of course, yes, he wants the sentiment to be positive, and he wants the retail investors to be behind him, because he sure is going to ask for more money, or for money later on down the road, because he has to. There's 80% or more than 80% of this float is held by retail investors. So it's us that pretty much run the entire freaking company. We make all the decisions. I've said this in previous videos, and I've really tried to hammer that point home, so I hope you guys have watched those videos. And I mean, he's come up in about 2 or 3 of my videos in the past, and my opinion still hasn't changed. I don't see this as anything, anything great that's been done on his part. I think he's just doing his freaking job, and we are the key to his salvation. Basically, he has to have a good relationship with us, because if he doesn't, then he is screwed. Simple as that. So I don't understand these people that are kissing his ass and calling him a hero and a silverback because of something that he puts out there that he really didn't have a decision in. I mean, this is our decision. This has always been our decision. In my opinion, what the hell happened is that, there was a whole lot more no's than there were yeses. He pretty much knew it wasn't going to go through. So he decided to take credit by coming out and saying, yeah, I'm not going to split you guys, so I'm going to basically say, forget it. We're not going to ask for any more shares, even though we really want to. I want the money, but I'm not going to ask for it. Now, what previously pissed me off, and I addressed this in a video in the past, this was just one instance, is, he came out a while ago acting like he was our best friend. He was saying he wasn't putting out any more shares or selling any of his shares. But then his entire board started selling off their shares. Now, the issue that I have with that, because of course, these people are going to take money off the table when the price is highly inflated, and it's no secret the price is inflated because it's not based off of fundamentals. But the issue here is that how in the hell are they going to sell shares when they're not responsible for the share price? The apes are responsible for the share price being where it is. If these little suckers want to sell shares, then they should have been selling shares at $5, because that's what they earned, okay? They earned $5 per share. The rest of that is ape money, so I don't want them out here buying freaking boats, mansions, whatever the hell, new cars with ape money. That's not how this shit works, and I'm not going to stand for it, so I'm going to voice my opinion on that. But if you'll look at the bottom of these tweets he puts out, and this is tweet 2 of 2, he says, of course, voting on the other 4 issues requiring approval at the July 29th annual AMC shareholder meeting will continue on schedule, but proposal 1 is hereby officially tabled. There will be no voting before 2022 on more shares. So basically, he already knows he's going to ask us for more money in 2022. So he's trying to play, his cards right. He's trying to play it cool with us, because he's going to ask for more money in 2022. That's all that there is to it. That's the bottom line. So don't be freaking fooled. But I like how he puts these little, your voice matters, like he's really, listening to us and gives a crap about what we say. No, it's because we hold 80% of this damn float, and you have to listen to what the hell we say. We could replace you tomorrow if we wanted to. So that is the issue. That's all I wanted to put out there. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools, and allows you to trade with less restrictions, 0 commissions, 0 fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.